Before handling fireworks, please take all the necessary precautions and recommendations. Thank you.
Say, can you see me, everybody? I'm all tucked up with my new coat on. I'm all tucked up, I've got my new coat on. And we've been watching the bonfire, haven't we? And the fireworks. And lots of stars in the sky. That looks better. Looks better from here.
Yeah, it's better not burning the flame.
So, we're remembering Guy Fawkes and the night he tried to set fire to Parliament with a lot of gunpowder. And gunpowder is what they use to make the fireworks. Rah. So Russ has got a box of like, not display ones, but ones that you can have without having a display permit. And he's going to set those off in the field in a minute. Get ready. Woo! Wow! And people as fireworks! Woo! We got a little fire. Whoa! Wow! Yeah, they were. Whoa. Thought I was going to go up in the air. Oh. Well. Oh. Didn't go anywhere. How's that then, Emma Jane? Hey, how's that? It's my first firework night, everybody. Wow. So be careful going. Whoa! Whoa, look at that. Is that noisy?
And it wouldn't be complete without eating some bangers. Sausages, in other words.
Ketchup right with you.
No, they're freezed.
Shut that nice and try to keep it cool.
One for a bit of bread, else it'll get messy.
Okay.
This is one bit of bread, else it'll get messy.
You're going to wrap it up in the bread, aren't you? What's for me?
What's something else?
Yeah.
Chili?
No. No chili, thank you. Right, then I'll put this in
That's
there.
not working. That's not very good.
Well, just can you not just do it like that? So it's like half a sandwich.
I'll have to wait a bit, but
Yeah, mine's working. That's alright. It's just dozy. Mine's working.
Next up are some really loud bangs. So if you've got earphones in, take them out or turn the sound down, please. Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
That was a bit bad, wasn't
I
it?
wasn't expecting that. So, Emma Jane, what did you think of your first firework display, eh? It was cold out there and the fire was smoky and it was really loud. It was really loud, wasn't it? Oh my word. Yeah. The little fireworks were okay. They are good for in the garden. But like I said, the big firework that the big ones at the end, Russ bought them for his work too. His works. To have some fireworks and light the fire that they've got. They keep building with pallets of wood and stuff in their down their unit. So they were going to burn that and have the fireworks and have some hot dogs now outside for everybody, you know, morale boost, because our lads have worked the whole time, lads and lasses have worked the whole time through all of COVID. They haven't been furloughed, had a lockdown during the lockdown or anything, because they build electrical panels. So we've built panels, not me, but the lads and that have built panels that have been working the generators in the new hospitals that we've had built in England and Wales. I don't think they've done one for Scotland, although Russ has just come back from Scotland today. I was hoping to go out there with him for a few days, but because it's the lockdown, he just took the camper, stayed in the camper overnight and came back down. He had a job to do near Glasgow, the other side of Glasgow, and I got a feeling it was for Sainsbury's, but I'm not 100% sure. But so I wasn't expecting him until much later, and I wasn't expecting to have any fireworks because nowhere's allowed to have any displays. And then he came back and he'd picked up some of the fireworks that they had bought and said, and some sausages, and said, "Mrs, I got a treat. We're going to have hot dogs, and which is sausages in buns, but we didn't have any bun. He bought back some bread and some sausages, so we just wrapped them in the bread. And I fried off some onion, and we had that, and we just lit our little fire, because we do have a fire anyway here where we do light the cardboard and everything. And he was like, "Let's have a firework display." I was like, "No way, that's so cute, what a surprise." Yes, let's do that. Because I just miss all those things. I have really bad empty nest syndrome, where empty nester, because I always had fireworks in that mine. My dad always did it as well. And then when I got the 3 girls and my nephews and all that came along, my dad was like, "Let's have it at yours." Or we would go to one of my aunties, my dad's sister, and it was always that kind of thing where you just had a little tiny fireworks. You lit a fire. You also made a Guy Fawkes back in the day, but I didn't even know he was going to do that, so I didn't even make a Guy or anything. And impromptu things like that are the things that keep us going, huh? Especially now the UK has gone into its Wales already in lockdown. Scotland, I think I know Northern Ireland is in lockdown, and I'm sure Scotland is, because I think I knew that Wales had last time, but I wasn't so sure about Scotland in Ireland, but I had some subscribers tell me that it was them as well. Plus all the people that have been shielding for ages and ages and who haven't gone very far anyway. Because it's just such a scary situation for everybody. And now it's just hell, because all the like restaurants and things and the pubs and that started back opening, and we had in England we had a eat out to help out scheme that encouraged people to go to their pubs and cafes and restaurants to eat, but now they can only stay open if they've got offer takeaway. So and then so many businesses and that, if you can work from home, you've got to work from home. Well, Russ and the lads and that, they just can't work from home. They've got to build stuff. So they've got to build generators and electric things. And I want to keep that out. So it's a tough time now again for everybody, and particularly this close to Christmas. How awful for people who are going to lose their jobs. It's just, I've been there. I've never lost my job, but I've been a single parent. Here you go, babe. Thank you very much. Oh, be careful. You don't slip, because it was don't get icy overnight. Because it was really icy this morning.
Yeah, not like thick ice on the floor, is it?
Thank you very much. It was really white. You're not coming in. You can stay out here with you can stay out here with your dad. Out. Dad's put the hose away now. You can stay out there for a bit. Millie, absolutely. I know a lot of dogs don't like fireworks and pets and things, but Millie absolutely loves fireworks. She just wants to chase them, run after them. So, so him coming home with this little thing tonight was just such a morale booster, and we all need those little morale boosters. We all need those little bits of self-care and attention, don't we? Hence, you can take your coat off now, Missy. She looks so cute in that bargain coat. You remember when I went with Auntie Sam and I bought her back? Look at her, she's like standing right to attention, like she's been towed off. She hasn't been towed off, but we can take your coat off now. Yeah, look at me. So I'm all snug as a bug in a rug. I think this is the coat that I bought. Did I buy it for £7? Something like that. And it was like 20 something. And she came with this hat from Auntie Deb, didn't you? And she's got her welly boots on. So we need to get your welly boots and all that off. And I didn't want her near the fire and that, because obviously they can smell of smoke. So I didn't want her near the fire. And she doesn't. So that's good. So there we go. Hope you've enjoyed being here with us. So this weekend I'm going, today is the 5th of November, Thursday. Today I am going, not today, oh gosh. This weekend I'm going to the bungalow. And I haven't filmed since the beginning of October. So I will be doing a bungalow update. And I filmed, which I think is going up tonight, at 9 o'clock. Yeah, I think it is. Flow of the Somme, which is a story about animals in war. And that is my remembrance day, kind of like theme. I've done a few more from the same like author and illustrator before in my read aloud playlist if you want to watch that. And so that's it, isn't it? I haven't got any more plans for any other videos, and I don't plan them very rarely. They usually just come off the top of my head, and I've had a few days off seeing as I did so many last week. So I've had a few days of a rest because Mummy's been tired, hasn't she? Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Stay safe, everybody.